Guys, in this video I will show you how to install Jetstream in Laravel 12 application as a starter kit, because Laravel 12 has provided a starter kit with Vue.js, Livewire and React.js. Okay, so if you want to install Jetstream, and they already provided like team features, and they have like profile management and two-factor authentication by default, browser sessions, teams, that features. If you want to install with Jetstream, then you can also install with Laravel 12 application. So let's get started with an example, and I will also show you about how to upgrade Tailwind CSS version. Okay, because current version is Tailwind CSS 4. Okay, so let me go and install the Laravel application. So I will say just Laravel new. It will ask you the project name, so I will just say Jetstream app, and it is asking for default which starter kit you want to install. I will just say no, I don't want to install anything, and let's wait a moment to download all the dependencies. Okay, now it's asking for which database you want to use, like MySQL, MariaDB and SQLite. So I'm going to just say SQLite. Okay, and then it say like, do you want to run npm install and build? No, because there is nothing. Okay, and now let me go to the Jetstream. Okay, and now let me go here and open to my VS Code editor. Okay, so let me close this and just open VS Code editor. Okay, yeah, and now let me open the project. Okay, so let me go here, me Laravel 12, and then I will just say Jetstream app. Okay, here is my application, and by default database is SQLite over here. Okay, so now let me go to the documentation, and if I go to the installation, you can see that we already created project, and go to the project directory. Then just I need to use Laravel/Jetstream composer package. So let me clear it and run this command. Okay, and let's wait to install. Okay, yeah, it's installed now, 5.3 version of Laravel Jetstream. And now if I scroll down, you can see that they are asking for like if you want to install with Livewire, and you can see that if you want to also install the Teams features, then also you can do. And there is a two options with Livewire and Inertia. Okay, so I'm going to choose Livewire. So just copy this command, and I'm going to just run this command. Okay, it is also installing the composer dependency, and also like publish the migrations. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, now it also asking for run the migrations. Yes, I want. Yeah, you can see that it's run. So now let me run the application, php artisan serve. Okay, and if I go here and go to the localhost 8000, click on register, you can see that beautiful design over here. Okay, and as a Jetstream. Okay, let me use the fact filler to fill the user, and if I click on register, you can see that Laravel Jetstream. And you can see over here there is a team settings, create new team, and all the team features are available over here, where you can create the team, add a member to the team. Okay, yeah, and create new team page. It's also created separately. If I go here, there is a profile page where profile information you can update it, name and email, update the password, and two-factor authentication you can enable as well. And you can see that browser sessions, where you can log out from other browser as well and delete your account as well. Okay, now let me go to the code editor, and if I go to the resource and go to the views, there is also provided API bled files and authentication bled files, and all that by default that's Laravel Jetstream provided. Okay, you can see that banner, buttons, checkbox, and all the things. Okay, this looks amazing. Okay, now let me go here, and if I go to the package.json. By default, Laravel Jetstream using 3.4 Tailwind CSS version. Okay, so we can also upgrade that. So let me go here and I will just run this command from the documentation of Tailwind CSS. Just copy and go here and let me just run this command. Okay, so let's wait a moment, and you can see that it's migrated all the files automatically. You don't have to do anything. Yeah, and now let me go here and okay, if I go here, you can see that 4.1, that the current version of Tailwind CSS they have installed. Okay, and now let me run npm run build command. Okay, so it's built new JS and CSS files. So let me run the application, and now let me go here and refresh it. It's nothing major change, but you can see that there is a border and maybe you can upgrade something. Okay, but you can see that now we have a latest version of Tailwind CSS, and you can use the latest code of latest CSS of Tailwind CSS. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily we can install Jetstream in Laravel 12 application. Okay, so if you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.